Listening to this will make them beg to be with you. Hello, everyone. I am Janell, your manifesting love guru, and today I'm going to help you manifest the love of your life back. I have helped thousands of people all around the world, and I can help you too. Just visit me at joybyjanelle.com. Your specific person will call you or text you or write you or knock on your door after listening to this meditation. Now close your eyes and let's begin. Take a deep breath in through your nose for about 3 seconds and slowly out of your mouth for about 6 seconds. Relax your body, your mind, and your spirit. Continue to breathe deep in through your nose and out through your mouth. You can see right now in your mind's eye that your specific person is reaching out to you. When your specific person is calling, texting, knocking on your door, or driving over to your house, what does that look like in your mind? See them taking this action in your mind right now. What are they doing right now? It's important to see it clearly. What does their voice sound like? I want you to hear their voice clearly as they say to you, "I've really missed you. I really wanted to catch up with you. I really want to see how you are doing." Whatever it is that they might say, it's important to hear the sound of their voice right now. Hear them saying to you, "I've been counting down the days in my mind until I see you again. I can't wait to see you. Every moment apart makes me realize how much you mean to me. You're the first thing I think of when I wake up and the last thing I think of before I fall asleep. I can't stop thinking about you. I miss your laughter. I miss looking in your eyes. I miss your smile. You are the best thing in the world to me. No one else can fill the space you've left in my heart. I know I've made mistakes. Maybe I've done things wrong, but I'm ready to make things right. If I've hurt you in any way, I'm deeply, deeply sorry. I keep replaying all the thoughts of you in my mind, morning, noon, and night. I will do anything, I mean anything, to hold you in my arms. When can I see you? When can we be together again? Being apart has made me realize how deeply I love you. I miss your voice. It's like music to my soul. I never knew I could miss someone this much until I met you. The distance is hard, but loving you makes it all worth it. I want nothing more than for us to be together in a deep, loving, permanent, committed relationship. Now, how are you feeling in this moment after hearing everything they have to say to you? Are you surprised? Are you shocked? Are you happy? Are you joyful? Are you relieved? What do you feel like? Know that your specific person is feeling the exact same way in this very moment, and they plan on reaching out to you right now. Their love is flowing to you right now. Their love is coming into your life right now because you absolutely deserve it. Because you are absolutely worthy of their love. Because you absolutely believe that you deserve their love and more. In this very moment, your specific person is reaching out to you. It is already done. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type, they want a loving, permanent, committed relationship with me right now to affirm. If you would like to get your desired person back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. Thousands of people's lives have already been changed with my manifestations. Subscribe for more content like this. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next meditation.